Hey everyone, Linus here. In our fast-paced world, a reliable laptop isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative soul, you need a machine that can keep up. Today, we're diving into the Dell Inspiron 14 Plus, a laptop that aims to hit that sweet spot of performance, portability, and price. Let's talk specs. The Dell Inspiron 14 Plus comes with 12th Gen Intel Core processors, up to an i7. This means smooth sailing for everyday tasks and enough muscle for light video editing or casual gaming. It sports Intel Iris Xe graphics, a capable integrated solution. Don't expect to run the latest AAA titles on ultra settings, but it can handle casual gaming and older titles. The Inspiron 14 Plus comes with up to 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and up to a 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD. This ensures smooth multitasking and plenty of storage space. Plus, the SSD means lightning-fast boot times and app loading. First impressions matter, and the Dell Inspiron 14 Plus doesn't disappoint. It's crafted from aluminum, giving it a premium look and feel while being lightweight. The 14-inch display with slim bezels offers a sharp and vibrant FHD+ resolution. The keyboard is a joy to type on, and the trackpad offers smooth and responsive tracking. For added security, the Inspiron 14 Plus features a fingerprint reader integrated into the power button. Now for the moment of truth. How does the Dell Inspiron 14 Plus actually perform? It's a solid all-rounder. The 12th Gen Intel Core processors provide plenty of power for smooth multitasking. The battery life is another highlight, easily lasting a full workday on a single charge. Fast charging capabilities can get you back up and running in no time. The Inspiron 14 Plus also excels in connectivity, offering 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, an HDMI port, and a microSD card reader. This ensures you have all the ports you need for various tasks. So, is the Dell Inspiron 14 Plus worth your hard-earned cash? In a word, yes. It offers a compelling combination of performance, design, and features at a competitive price point. It's a great option for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a reliable and versatile laptop. The Inspiron 14 Plus focuses on delivering a well-rounded experience that excels in the areas that matter most for everyday users. It's a workhorse that can handle your daily tasks with ease while also offering some premium touches. Dell has done an excellent job of creating a laptop that caters to a wide range of users without compromising on quality or performance. The Dell Inspiron 14 Plus is a versatile laptop that's well suited for a wide range of users. It's an excellent choice for students who need a reliable machine for note-taking, research, and completing assignments. Professionals will appreciate the Inspiron 14 Plus's combination of performance, portability, and features. It's perfect for business travelers who need a lightweight yet powerful machine. The vibrant display and impressive audio quality make it a great entertainment machine. Overall, the Dell Inspiron 14 Plus is a fantastic all-rounder that delivers exceptional value for its price.